Let's see how to conceal hem close this Fabergé, the fabric Fabergé that we made. So in order to do that, I would keep the egg here and lay one of the seam allowances inside, fold the other one, lay it on top, miter the rickrack and pin one end close. Now with the other end, pin one end close, miter the rickracks, and from the other end, from the under part, pull the thread through, stitch here, go to the next position on the top part, pull the needle through, come down, the top part, and come down here, just right where, parallel to where the needle, the thread has come out, is where you go down, come up quite close, go up to the next position on the top part. Always be sure to not take the needle through the top layer of the fabric, just so. Come down, pull the needle through. Now secure that stitch, go to the next position, you can't see anything. So the stitch is being caught inside the seam each time. You can use the stitch to close any of your soft toys, scrunchies if you're making scrunchies, hair bows. Just tight enough to close it, but not too tight for it would pucker here. Okay, my seam. Now I'm going to anchor my stitch, that is, come out here, make a knot, go back in through the seam here, come out at any point you want, but just leave about 1 centimeter or 2 in between. Come out and pull the thread, scrunch up a bit, cut it as close to the fabric. Now lay back. pull the fabric back. What you did is you took the excess thread inside of the egg through this seam there. You can't see any stitch no matter how you look at it. That's how you would hand sew the Fabergé eggs. That's my collection of my Fabergé eggs, which I can use as an Easter decor or a decor in a baby's crib. Small little pillows in the baby's crib. See you for my next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and take care. Bye bye.